Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Bagong lipat ako sa dorm and I'm super excited to this new chapter. As a student athlete, sobra talaga ang dami ng laundry na ginagamit sa school, training, and personal stuff. Kaya kailangan ko muna maghanap ng laundry shop na okay and hindi mahal. So now, let's see what I can find.
Guys, help naman. May alam kayo na laundry shop nearby?
Oo, may alam kami. Malinis sila pumawa. Super affordable and student-friendly.
Maganda service nila.
Tara, samahan ka namin!
Tara, let's go.
We are here at Shansai Laundry, a local business that offers laundry services such as washing, drying, and folding.
Wait, hindi lang pala sila laundry shop dito? May water refilling station din sila?
Yes, beside the laundry shop is a water refilling station called Water for Life, owned by the same proprietor, providing clean and affordable drinking water. The refilling station was established in 2013, while a laundry shop was established in 2017. The goal of the business is to provide needs of the community through giving essential services and convenience in one place.
First, we look at their social obligation and legal responsibilities.
Good day, everybody. Today, we are here with the manager of Water for Life and Shams Laundry. And today, we're just gonna talk about what the business usually do and their corporate social governance and responsibility. So, what is your name po and what do you do here po?
Ako po pala si Jean Dakanay, isa po sa manager sa company na ito.
Does your business have all the necessary permits and registrations?
Yes. Kaya nagabayad din kami on time sa kung saan balaod sa government. Then we have a yearly renewal for our business permit. Then we have we pay BIR tax.
How do you ensure compliance with government regulations?
Regarding with the government regulation, for among staff, we have above minimum of our salary. We have a 13-month fee. Then we have nag-follow me sa requirements sa government like fire alarm. Then na-approve ni mga fire extinguisher.
What safety and sanitation standards do you follow, especially for the water refilling station?
Nag-change niya ang filter every month. Then we have monthly water analysis. Then like sa RO, nag-RO pod me ang waste padulong sa tank sa laundry.
How about the laundry?
Then sa laundry naman every 6 months meron kaming cleaning maintenance of our machine.
Next, we examine their corporate social responsiveness or how they respond to community needs.
How does your business help your customers on a daily basis?
I-introduce na mo sa mga customer na water is affordable, safe water. Then naapod may sa laundry pod naapod may self-service, then naapod may draft off para less na pod ang time sa maglabas sa customer. So kami na instead na sila, kami ang mag-operate, kami mag-load sa machine, then amo anak pag-pick up nila is cold na.
How do you handle customers' concerns or complaints?
Sa mga complaints sa mga customer, respond me kaagad, ay address na mo ang ilang mga concern. Kung na mga reklamo sa delivery, amo aday pa tawagon amo ang delivery man na katong concern sa customer i-address dayon. If reklamo nila kulang ang galon, so maghatag mi og additional na galon para sa ilahang water.
Do you have any practices that benefit the environment or the community?
Regarding sa benefits sa environment is kanang nagatabang mi sa naay kalamidad like katong naagian o bagyo, nagatabang mi, nagapadala mi og water sa ilaha. Then kung naapod may mga sira na galon, amo na lang ipanghatag po sa mga tao para magamit po makatabang sa ilaha na pwede nila matamnan. Tapos amo ang water pod is naapod na siya naga-RO pod ni sa waste niya is 60%, so mapasa na siya padulong sa laundry. Magamit na siya padulong dito sa amo ang laundry machine.
So, how has your business adjusted during crises like pandemic, water shortages, or rising costs?
Katong sa panahon sa pandemic, naga-operate lang gihapon mi, pero nagasunod mi sa balaod, naga-follow mi sa ilahang protocol, nami social distancing, naga-wear mi og face mask, then sa laundry pod sarado mi.
And for next question, when the price of electricity or water spikes, how do you balance maintaining affordable rates for the community while staying profitable?
Regarding po sa water wala mi naga-increase, but sa laundry parehas karon na panahon na naka-experience sa Ogira award, bili nag-increase mi from 5 pesos nag-increase mo 10 pesos. Sa water wala mi naga-increase.
Lastly, we looked into corporate social responsibility, which reflects ethical practices beyond legal duties.
So what values guide your business operations?
Unang-una is nagasaling mi sa Ginoo, nagatuo mi sa Ginoo. Bago mi mag-start sa business sa morning, unang-una nagarampo gyud mi diha sa Ginoo. Kay nagatuo gyud mi nga ang Ginoo kanang magapamuhat gyud siya. And kini na business gisaling gyud namo sa Ginoo. Na siya lang ang magpadala og mga tao, mga customer, both water and Shams I Laundry.
How do you ensure a positive working environment for your employees?
Sa positive environment sa mga employee, kung na may problema or like mag-away-away, ako din na siyang ipatawag og akong istoryahon na magkanda ko og meeting sa ilaha, i-address na ko ang ina mga problema. Kay kung wala man ko'y away sa trabaho, smooth ang dagan.
In what ways do you go beyond what is required by law?
Nagabuhat mi sa mong party para sa customer, sa laundry regarding sa self-service, gibuhat gyud namo amo ang part as ako customer service para sa customer. Like example sa self-service, kami mo like na sila mga lakaw customer, gihatag na ang gitagaan namo sila o kanang pabor kadiin kami na mag-transfer from washer, kami na mag-transfer sa dryer. And sa drop-off naman, we do our part na kanang maghimo instead na customer, bali kami na pag-pick up sa customer, naka-fold na ang ilang laundry.
So for the last and final question, what message would you like to share with your customers and the community as a manager?
As a manager, I ensure sa customer, sa community na ang water is safe and clean. tungod kay nami water analysis every month. Ug sa laundry naman, we assure to the customer nga ilahang laundry is safe. Dili namo mahalo sa uban na customer. Kung naa may mga nabilin sa ilang pocket like money, we assured to them na mabalik gyud sa ilaha.
Interview with the staff.
Hi ko, what is your name?
Arlene,
How was your experience working here?
okay lang naman po. Maraming namimit na mga tao na need nila ng tulong sa mga laundry nila. Kailangan nila pass. Tapos, minsan may mga attitude din. Pero okay lang. Namamanage siya.
How many years have you been working here?
1 year, higit. No.
So far, how is the management, the boss, or the owner, and the manager?
Mababait po sila nga. Walang masabi.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Good afternoon, Kuya. What is your name?
My name is Jimar Candales.
What do you do here?
Refilling station.
Sa refilling station.
Opo.
How many years have you worked in the refilling station?
1 year.
1 year? How is the management? Like, kung sa kanila ginatrato, Kuya?
Okay naman.
Okay lang po.
Opo.
Hi Kuya, what is your name po?
Jipame Panerio.
And what do you do here in this business po?
I'm a driver.
And how long do you work here Kuya? 12 years. 12 years, so matagal na po pala. And how is the management in this business Kuya? Like, paano kanila gina-treat?
Very good.
Very good. And thank you Kuya.
Testimony from the customer.
Hello, Kuya. What is your name?
I'm Andy.
Andy. Yeah. How is your experience in this establishment?
Regarding my experience in this establishment, especially the same laundry, very nice and good service.
What do you like most about their service?
The most I like this service, the laundry, especially the water. The people here, yung mga nagtatrabaho, mga trabahante, maganda sila magbigay ng servisyo at yun na nga, masasatisfy ka sa mga servisyo.
Would you recommend this place to others?
Based sa ating experience, na siguro marirecommend ko lang dito yung continuous yung servisyo about sa business. Yun lang na-recommend ko. Kasi maganda kasi sila magbigay o mag-alaga sa mga customer natin.
As you can see, the strong corporate governance and responsibility is reflected in their business as they consistently give quality and trustworthy service experienced firsthand by the customer.
Corporate social responsibility isn't just for big companies.
Even for small businesses, they can make a difference.
They follow rules, help people, and act responsibly.
I came here para magbalabala. Pero I realized this business is doing more than just that. From clean clothes to clean water, they're actually helping the community.
In every clean shirt, in every drop of safe water, there is a business that chose to care. It's not about the profit, but it's about the responsibility, trust, and service towards the community. By providing both quality laundry services and accessible clean drinking water, they support the daily needs of every customer. Support micro-businesses like Water for Life and Shams Laundry, where service goes beyond expectations. Visit them at Veloso Street, Obrero, Davao City.